So in terms of this major finance in international business, you can deal with topics like international taxation, international accounting, which is based on IFRSs, as well as corporate finance. So absolvents of our modules, they gain a knowledge in terms of valuation of assets, business valuation, efficiency of investment project, etc.
And what kind of jobs can our graduates then take up?
Major job destination of our absolvents are in audit companies, consulting, controlling departments. But on the other hand, we have some absolvents who run their own companies, for example, small company producing accounting software. And Ms. Aneška, may I ask you why you opted for follow-on specialization finance in international business?
Finance is a key part of everyday life of an individual, business or organization, and I want to be able to look at this issue from different angles. So I can use my knowledge from subjects such as international taxation, financial management and financial markets, not only at work, but also in managing my own business or maybe personal finance and so investments.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
And hey, see you in Carmel next time.